Hello everyone. Before we start, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Neha Veronica Nauli.
My name is Nelly Wulandari.
And my name is Nurul Huda.
So in this video, we are going to show you how to install and use VLC Media Player. So let's get started. There are 4 subtopics that we will present at this time. There are introduce, how to install, how to use, and the function. Friends, I found a picture. Can you guess it for me?
Like a warning symbol.
Like a traffic cone.
That's true, friends. But did you know it turned out the VLC Media Player logo? That is very true. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, VLC Media Player is a free and open source, portable, cross-platform media player software and streaming media server developed by the Video LAN project. VLC is available for desktop operating system and mobile platform such as Android, iOS, iPadOS, Tizen, Windows 10 Mobile, and Windows Phone. VLC is also available on digital distribution platforms such as Apple's App Store, Google Play, and Microsoft Store. VLC supports many audio and video compression methods and file formats, including the video, video CD, and streaming protocols. It is able to stream media over computer networks and to transcode the multimedia file. More details. Developers VideoLAN project. Initial release February 1, 2001 or 19 years ago. Programming language C, C++. Operating system Windows, Windows Phone, Mac OS, Linux, Android, Chrome OS, iOS. Available in 48 languages. Type is media player. Website. You can access the website at www.videolan.org/VLC.
Wow, amazing Neha. How do I get it?
Of course, you have to download it first. I hope someone can greet us.
It's easy. I have tried it on my laptop before. I will show it to do you and your friends at home. First, how to download. First of all, what you need to do is download the latest version on the VLC Media Player software. Open your browser, then type in the search engine VLC Media Player. When it appears in the browser, then we click on the link that appears at the top. The official download from VLC Media Player www.videolan.org. Then you will go to the main homepage of videolan.org. Then there is a button to download. We can see below the download button. This download button is for Windows with 64-bit specification. If you have other option that match the specification of your laptop, you can click on the download option button. A download option will appear based on the desired specification. Click download. The software will automatically be downloaded. Just open your download by double-click Now a window for selection and language will appear. Because there is no Indonesian language option, recommended having and using English. Next, you need to select the installation folder. Choose the folder where you will save the installation results. Just continue the installation process by click Next. Please click Next for each stage of the installation. Now the installation process will start running. Wait for the installation process to complete. Generally, it only takes a few minutes. Click Finish. After that, VLC Media Player is ready for you to use. 1. Choose a video to open with VLC Media Player. 2. Right-click on the video, then select Properties. You will be shown the Properties dialog box. Then in the General menu, look for the Change button, click it. Then an option will appear. Select the VLC video player. Then an option will appear. Select the VLC media player.
Before we get to know the function menu, I will tell my friends how to open videos with VLC Media Player. First, select the video you want to watch via the VLC Media Player. Second, click Open, and the last, the video plays immediately. Check it out.
Okay, this is the main VLC Media Player display when opening a video file. This is our menu found in the VLC Media Player. There are 8 main menus, each of which contain your related command. Contents: Open button, open or view document or file, Save button, how to convert. Content comment button that function to operate the video display. Content comment buttons that function to set the standard and audio quality. This comment button that are function video standard and quality. To add some time. To create effect and filter on audio or video and content preferring. Contain the option that set the appearance of the opened file. Function to see the latest update to application version and also about the application. Nah, this button function as setting for the display of the media being played. Nah, that function as a volume scale view and volume setting. Okay, leave DVD. On the media menu, select Convert or Save. Then click on the display. Activate the function by click on the media menu. Then select Service Discovery. Click Shortcuts Radio Listening. Open Playlist and browse all radio station. Nah, select Tool and then click Effect and Filter. That is a before and after. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.